Hi guys, welcome back. Today is a super exciting day because, well, my friend, my best friend from Brazil, she sent me a package. She sent me a package. This is the first time I get a package from her. I have sent her a package once, I think, and I've sent my second package from Korea. It has been in Korea since past 36 days. It has not left Korea, so God knows when she'll get her package. But yeah, this year we decided to send each other packages. So just to give a little background how I got a Brazilian best friend, I went to Germany for a 1-year high school exchange program in 2014-15, and she was also there for the same exchange program in the same year. We went the same school in the same town, and that's how we became friends, and we have been friends since then. It has been almost more than 5 years that we have not seen each other in real life because, well, we live very, very far away and we both never have the money to travel or whatever. And so yeah, this year we sent each other packages, and I got my package today from Brazil, and let's open it. You're playing me a dinner. My friend's name is Alana. I've never learned how to pronounce her name right. I call her Alana. And let's see where to open this. It's weird how every country has their own style of boxes. Okay, wait. What do I still need to... Why is it not coming off? I see so much stuff. Like... Okay. Oh, I get it. I was holding it upside down. Are you ready? Okay, you get to see it before I do, okay? Ta-da! Young. I obviously told her to get me flip-flops because, well, you know, they do flip-flops well, and we are both from countries where flip-flops are life. In India, I don't wear anything other than flip-flops. These are heavy. They look nice. Wait, I think they are my size. I'm trying them. Perfect size. So I have my Brazil flip-flops. Havaianas. Whatever, it has the Brazilian flag, and this will remind me of my friend forever and ever and ever. Next, I see so much food stuff. I think this is bay leaf. It's funny how I understand a little bit. Yes, they are laurel leaves. Folha de louro. They are bay leaves from Brazil. Well, we use a lot of bay leaves in India. I do have like 2 packets of bay leaves, but yes, I'm going to use this. These look smaller than Indian bay leaves. Indian bay leaves are like this big, but yes, I'm going to use this. Thank you. Next, okay, she sent so much stuff that I did not know she was going to send me. Okay, and then we have tea from Dr. Oetker. We have cha mate. I will try this tea. I'm not a huge tea drinker, but I will obviously try this. Then we have... What is this? Farofa mineira caseira. Receita artesanal. Sem conservantes. This looks like bread, like breadcrumbs. I'm not sure what it is. I think this is breadcrumbs. It has farina de bifu. I don't know what that is. Cebolla, which is onions. It has dried onions. It has alho, dried garlic, olio vegetal, vegetable oil, caldo de carne, and salt. Oh, okay, then it is like a crumble, a seasoning crumble for putting stuff. Wait, should I call her? Wait, let's see if she can take a call. I'm pretty sure she won't pick up. I'm 99% sure she won't pick up. Nope, she did not. We will continue with our unboxing. Oh, I got Brazilian nuts. My mom loves these. Wait, these are... Oh, these are mixed castanas. I'm assuming that is nuts. They are from the Amazon. Anyways, these are the nuts. Let's try them. Oh, these are mixed nuts. There are raisins, there are Brazilian nuts, there are nuts that I've not seen before. These are the different nuts. I have no idea what this is. But I will try. I don't know if I'm supposed to eat the whole thing. Very sweet. So good. Okay, these are cashew nuts. I'm pretty sure these are cashew nuts. We have them in India too. And this, I'm pretty sure this is what we call in English the Brazilian nut or Brazil nut or something like that. I don't know what they call it in Brazil though. So crunchy. And there are raisins. To be honest, I'm not a big fan of raisins in desserts or in food, but like this. Oh, these are soft. I thought they would be more chewy. Okay, I like Brazilian raisins. These are different from our raisins in India. We have more sour. These are just sweet. My mom would love this. Okay. Well, I will eat that. Okay, more spices. Tempero baiano e mais gustosos. I see spices on the packet. I see chili, I see cinnamon, bay leaf, mint. I don't know. I see these spices on top. Okay, ingredients. Comino en po. I'm assuming that is cumin. So, coentro en po. Cilantro. Coentro, cilantro. Oregano is oregano. It doesn't have gluten. I don't know. I think it's a spice mix. And I'm very curious how it smells like. So let's open this up. I'll ask her where do they use it in Brazil, and then we'll try some Brazilian recipes. It's so weird how every country have their own spice mixes. Okay, I smell the cumin. My Indian self is that's a lot of cumin. I like cumin. We love cumin in India. I am going to use this. I have lentils. I have a feeling this will go really well with the lentils that I have. Okay, next. Wait, is this the sabor habutikaba? Chabutikaba. I don't know if they not pronounce. This is a drink. for every 200 ml of this drink, it has 15% of the necessary daily vitamin C. It's so funny how I understand everything. That's not everything, but 80% of what's written on this. My Italian is paying off. I'm pretty sure this is a Brazilian fruit. The company is called Ajinomoto. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's a Japanese company, and in India, when we say Ajinomoto, it means MSG. People are scared of, apparently, but I'm pretty sure this is not that. Okay, let's try. Tastes like grape, but not grape. It has a very berry flavor. It's probably a berry that they have in Brazil, which I have not tasted something like this before, but still tasted something like this before. You know what I mean? I'm getting my vitamin C for the day. Sweet and sour. And then I have more vitamin C sources. I see apple. I see kafu, kaju, kafu. I don't know how they pronounce the J's in Portuguese. And then, no, this is guava. I love guava. We have so much guava in India, and this is Tang. Alana, I don't know if you knew or not, but Tang is a huge thing in India. Every kid has drunk tons of liters of Tang as a kid. And I didn't know they made guava flavor. In India, we just have orange flavor, I think. And yeah, everyone knows Tang in India. Apparently, they do in Brazil too. So I miss guava. Apparently, this is also source for vitamin C. Yes, I wish I opened guava before this because I really want to try this now, but I think I don't want to overload my system with vitamin C. But yes, guava. I love guava. Then we have chocolate. Well, who doesn't know Brazilian chocolate? Brazil is famous for chocolate, and now I have Brazilian chocolate, and it is with Brazilian nuts. So much better because it has the nuts in, because I'm not a big fan of milk chocolate, but this has the nuts, so I like the nuts. What's this? This is what we have next, and I don't know what this is. Oh, okay, it's peanut candy bar. It says in English in bottom. Peanut candy bar. Oh, that was soft. I just did this and it broke. I think it's just peanut. It's not even peanut butter. Let's try. Yeah, it looks like just crushed peanuts. No way. This is not peanut butter. I am not a big fan of peanut butter. But this is just peanuts with a little bit of salt. It's not peanut butter. It has the consistency of like an Indian sweet, and it tastes like peanuts. But this is like salted peanuts. It's not sweet. It's not only sweet. It is salted sweet, which I really like. This I like. Okay, next, I know what this is. It's the pão de queijo, cheese bread. I've had this before and I love them, and I told her to send me this and she did. So yeah, I'm going to make this someday. Okay, and then I have something in this pouch. which I think is soap. So my friend is also like me. She is very environmentally conscious and minimalist and all of that, and she uses these soaps. This is rose and lavender, and this is, it just says Amazon organic, Amazon, I think Amazonia Organico. But yeah, I have these two soaps now, which I can use to wash my face. I can wash my face with stuff from Amazon. How cool is that? So yeah, I have these two natural soaps, which I'm very excited to use. And then I did ask her to send me a I Heart Brazil t-shirt because I am basic like that. This is so this is, wait, it doesn't say I Heart Brazil. Eu tu amo meu Brazil. Doesn't mean I love my Brazil. What is you and I don't know, but I'm pretty sure it says like I love Brazil. Something. I should have opened this first and did the whole video wearing this, but I'm going to do that now. There you go. I have my I love Brazil t-shirt with my Brazil flip-flops. The last thing in the box is a card. It says, for Nandita, my best friend from across the world, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Aww. Even I sent her a card. She'll get it sometime next year, hopefully. It says, hello, my dear friend. Her handwriting is so cute. It's the same as 5 years ago. I'm finally sending you some stuff from Brazil, and let's hope next time I can send me. Yes, I hope that too. Sorry for my shitty writing. And really hope you like this little piece of my country. I love it. I love everything so much. Besides that, I hope you are doing fine, staying safe, and saving money to see me. Yes, I am. I am saving money. Hopefully, when this whole pandemic thing has died down, I can go to meet you. I miss you tons, and I am very happy for this friendship. Me too. We are exchanging Christmas gifts. Yes. Much love from Brazil, Alana. Yes. I wish she could send herself in a package to come here. But yeah, we have been able to maintain this friendship for 5 years without meeting each other, and I think we can do that for more 5 years, and hopefully in the next 5 years we will meet each other. But yeah, that is in the future, and we never know what's going to happen. But thank you, Alana, so much for sending me all this stuff. I am so happy. And yeah,
You're paying me a dinner.
I really hope you get your package soon. It is so weird how Brazilian post was faster than Korean post. Korea, you got beaten by Brazil this time. Yeah, I really hope you get your stuff soon, and I hope to meet you soon, and I hope you're safe and healthy and happy, and yeah, see you soon. Bye.